here and looking bigger than I expected. So this is going to be the unboxing video for this lathe slash milling machine. And this is what it looks like inside. So we'll take the cross pieces out, and then looks like the sides unfold as well, and we'll take the sides off. Just coated. Well, now we make a spot for it to sit, and it'll probably be sitting over here, so got a bunch of stuff to move. Alrighty guys, so after a little bit of rearranging, we got a spot here. I don't know if this is where it'll permanently stay, but yeah, as I was saying before, it's totally coated in grease. I'm not going to degrease it yet. I'm gonna wait, get spray to put on it after I take all the grease off, but for now it's just gonna sit there. There is the toolbox back there that I'm gonna open up, see what's inside, and then I'll get some spray, degrease it, and then we'll start using it eventually. I did get the stand for it, but it was not in stock, so they're gonna send it out some other time, and yeah, then I'll put it on the stand. Not sure how I'm gonna lift it yet. Hopefully there's an anchor point in there somewhere under the cover, but we'll have to wait and see.